I'm Daniel, owner of Paver Seal Tampa. We're not just another pressure washing and seal crew, we're a hardscape protection service. Our job is to make sure that your installs stay protected and look fantastic. We take the last step seriously. Customized sealer options designed to meet your client's desired finish and feel. It's a nuanced approach to match the right product with the right hardscape. No excuses, no shortcuts, no disappearing acts. We're here to make you shine. Your clients see the difference and they're asking for it. We protect your reputation by making sure your hardscapes last and look fantastic. Getting started is easy. Send us the square footage or the plans and we'll handle the rest. We show up clean, professional, and on time. We work with your schedule, your site crew, and your deadlines.